I'm attorney Tim Semmelroth with RSH Legal. If you've been injured in an Iowa truck crash, the trucking company or its insurance company may suggest that you can settle your case on your own. If your injuries are serious, this is typically a costly mistake. A truck accident case is much more complex than a car accident. And if you try to settle it on your own, you could lose out on compensation that is owed to you. What is unique about truck accident claims is that many different parties could be responsible for what happened. In the trucking industry, it's not unusual for one company to own the semi-truck, another to own the trailer, a third to hire and employ the truck driver. There could also be someone else responsible for the load that's carried in the trailer. Depending upon why your crash occurred, some or potentially all of these parties could have responsibility for your crash. Figuring out exactly who is responsible can be a complex task. Sifting through driver's logs, GPS records, bills of lading, and other key documents is difficult if you don't know what to look for. It is often necessary to involve industry experts to figure out who is to blame for a truck crash. That is why it is so important to hire a lawyer who knows both trucking law and trucking industry customs and standards. Unfortunately, most Iowa lawyers don't have this type of expertise. Let's talk next about how much your trucking accident case could be worth. The value of an Iowa truck accident claim can also be different from a garden variety car accident case. Many factors go into figuring out a fair settlement amount. An experienced truck accident attorney will consider the following before negotiating a fair settlement: past and future medical bills, past and future earnings that you've lost because of your injuries, past and future loss of function of your mind and or your body, and past and future pain and suffering. Some of these numbers are easier to figure out than others. Most people can add up their crash-related medical expenses, but it is harder to provide a clear calculation of future medical needs. Identifying an appropriate amount for permanent loss of function of the body or permanent pain and suffering typically requires an understanding of what past Iowa juries have awarded in similar cases. Trucking companies are happy to take advantage of a layperson who doesn't understand the true value of his or her personal injury case. That is why having an experienced Iowa truck accident lawyer on your side is so important in a settlement negotiation. It gives you a chance to get an objective, professional appraisal of the value of your claim, as well as making clear to the trucking company that you're ready to file a lawsuit if they don't make a fair offer. You are in a stronger bargaining position if your lawyer has a track record of big truck accident settlements and verdicts. If you have recently been in a serious truck crash in Iowa, time is of the essence. You only have a few months before the trucking company can begin to legally destroy evidence related to your crash. To prevent that from happening, you need to speak to an attorney as soon as possible. RSH Legal offers free, no obligation case evaluations to trucking accident victims. To schedule yours, call 1-800-433-0283 today.